This is Motorola Moto G23, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can access and use the Pro mode in the default camera app of this device. So to begin with, let me launch the camera itself. Then over here, swipe this little modes list to your left until you will enter the Pro mode. It might also be not here but at the More section, so make sure to check it out if you haven't gotten the Pro mode in here. And once at the Pro mode, you can, for example, change the focus, and you can either set it to be automatic or manually change it like so. So let me show it to you on some distinguishable object. You can change the white balance parameter. You can also make your image brighter or dimmer, respectively. Then you can moreover change the ISO value and exposure level. So to sum up, the camera Pro mode on this phone or any other phone practically is simply the feature that provides you with more manual control over different camera parameters and options. Alrighty, so that would be it for this video, guys. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.